The age-old question. Why is the cable TV acting up again? Remember the good old days when televisions were just plug and play? But worry not. This video will guide you through the process of troubleshooting common cable TV issues, step by step. In the grand scheme of things, cable TV issues typically fall into one of three categories: picture problems, sound issues, or complete signal loss. Each problem has its own set of potential causes and solutions, so buckle up for a quick journey into the world of cable TV repair. Let's tackle picture problems first. If the picture is fuzzy, it might be due to a weak signal. Try adjusting the cable cord at the back of the TV and the cable box. If it's screwed in too loosely or too tightly, it could be affecting the signal. Another common cause is the cable splitter, a small device that splits the cable signal between multiple devices. If there's a splitter in the setup, try removing it and connecting the cable directly to the TV. If the problem persists, the issue might be with the cable line or the box itself. Now, onto sound issues. If the sound is crackling or not coming through at all, first check the TV's audio settings. Make sure they're set to the correct output. If that doesn't solve the problem, try swapping out the audio cables. Sometimes a faulty cable can be the culprit. Lastly, if there's a complete signal loss, it could be due to a power outage, a service interruption, or an issue with the cable box. First, make sure the power is on and the cable box is plugged in properly. If that doesn't work, try resetting the cable box by unplugging it, waiting for 30 seconds, and then plugging it back in. If all else fails, it might be time to call the cable provider for assistance. To summarize, cable TV issues usually stem from picture problems, sound issues, or a complete signal loss. For picture problems, check the cable connections and the cable splitter. For sound issues, check the TV's audio settings and the audio cables. For a complete signal loss, check the power supply, reset the cable box, or reach out to the cable provider. Remember, troubleshooting is a process of elimination. Start with the simplest solutions and work your way up to the more complex ones. And if all else fails, don't hesitate to call in a professional. Cable TV repair might seem daunting, but with a little patience and persistence, anyone can become a whiz at it. So, the next time the cable TV decides to throw a tantrum, don't panic. Just recall the steps outlined in this video. With a little bit of luck and a lot of determination, the cable TV will be back up and running in no time. And before we wrap up, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more interesting facts and DIY guides.